this problem, x plus y is equal to 100, xy is equal to 1000, and we want to solve for x and y. This is an exponential equation. Now let us call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 1, I'm going to make y the subject of the formula. Then y is equal to 100 minus x. I'll call this equation 3. Then I will substitute for y in equation 2 this new value. This will give me x into 100 minus x is equal to 1000. Let us open this bracket. X times 100 will give us 100x minus x times x will give us x squared is equal to 1000. If I rearrange this in descending order of power for x, this will give us x squared negative x squared plus 100x, and then transfer 1000 to the left, so we have minus 1000 is equal to 0. Divide through by negative 1. This will turn the coefficient of x squared to positive. So this cancels this. We then have x squared minus 100x minus times minus is plus 1000 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Let us solve for x in this quadratic equation. I'll compare this with the general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we can see that a is 1, b is negative 100, and c is 1000. Let us use the general quadratic formula to solve for x. This will give us minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to minus b is minus 100 plus or minus b again minus 100 squared minus 4 times a is 1, a is 1, so we say 4 times 1, and then c is 1000, so we say times 1000, then divided by 2a. A is 1, so this is 2 times 1. Then this means x is equal to minus times minus is plus, so this is 100 plus or minus square root of Negative 100 squared is still 100 squared. So this will give us 10,000. Then minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1000 will give us 4000. Then square root of that. Then all of that divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Then x is equal to 100 plus or minus square root of 10,000 minus 4,000 will give us 6,000 divided by 2. So x is equal to 100 plus or minus square root of, I can break this down into 60 times 100 divided by 2. Then x is equal to 100 plus or minus square root of 60 times square root of 100 divided by 2. So x is equal to 100 plus or minus square root of 100 here is 10. So we have 10 roots. 60 can also be written as 4 times 15, then divided by 2, which we can also separate again into 100 plus or minus 10 square root of 4 times square root of 15, then divided by 2, which will now give us x is equal to 100 plus or minus 10 times square root of 4 is 2, then root 15 divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 100 plus or minus 20 root 15 divided by 2. We can separate this division to give us x is equal to 100 divided by 2 plus or minus 20 root 15 divided by 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 50, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 10. So this will give us x is equal to 50 plus or minus 10 root 15. So we got x is equal to 50 plus or minus 10 root 15. We need to separate this into two different values. So we're going to have x, which we will call x1, is equal to the positive sign 50 plus 10 root 15, and then x2 is equal to the negative 50 minus 10 root 15. So we have two values for x. There is need to then get the corresponding values for y. You recall that if you go back into the video, our equation 3, we got y is equal to 100 minus x. Therefore, for y1, we are going to do 100 minus x1. Remember, our x1 is 50 plus 10 root 15. So this is going to be y1 is equal to 100 minus 50 plus 10 root 15. This will give us y1 is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50. Minus times plus is minus. Then we have 10 root 15. So the same way we need to do y2, and for y2 we are going to do 100 minus x2. So we say y2 is equal to 100 minus our x2 was 50 minus 10 root 15. So we do 50 minus 10 root 15. Then y2 is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50. Minus times minus is plus. Then we say 10 root 15. Giving us all four values for this problem. If I put them all together, we got x1, comma y1 is equal to our x1 was this, x2 is this. So we say 50 plus 10 root 15, and y1 was 50 minus 10 root 15. Similarly, x2, y2 is 50 minus 10 root 15, comma 50 plus 10 root 15. And these are the two sets of solutions for this problem. Now we are going to check. We can use either of them to check if our solutions are correct. So to check that our solution is correct, we need to put those values into this equation. The left-hand side of each equation must be the same as the right-hand side. So for y1, since I said we can use either x1, y1 or y2, x2, y2, x is now going to be 50 plus 10 root 15. That's for x. Then plus y, 50 minus 10 root 15. So for this to be correct, everything here must give us 100 on the right hand side. So 50 plus 50 is 100, plus 10 root 15 minus 10 root 15 cancels out. Then this gives us 100 is equal to 100. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now let's do that for the product. So we have 50 plus 10 root 15 times 50 minus 10 root 15. If done correctly, this should give us 1000. Let us multiply out this bracket. 50 times 50 here will give us 2500, and 50 times negative 10 root 15 will give us negative 500 root 15. Then we have plus 500 root 15. And then 10 root 15 times 10 root 15. This is plus times minus is minus. 10 times 10 is 100. And then root 15 times root 15 is simply 15. And this should give us 1000. This right here, we cancel this right here. So we have 2500. Then minus 100 times 15 here is 1500. And this should give us 1000. 2500 minus 1500 is definitely 1000. So 1000 is equal to 1000. And since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, it confirms that our solution is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And I'll see you in my next video.